performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending August 21st. Let's start by inputting the account balance into the spreadsheet. So I lost just a little bit last week. The account was down $120, which is a loss of negative 0.64%. And these were the 5 positions that were held in the portfolio, each one weighted at 20%. First one was AMAT, Applied Materials. That was the worst trade of the week, down 4.9%. And this is how the AMAT trade looked. We have a dip buying strategy. So in the prior week, there was a sell-off, especially after the earnings. So we bought here on Monday's open and sold here at Friday's close for a loss. The next trade was Cisco. That one was up 0.07%. And the Cisco trade looked like this. There was a pretty huge sell-off the prior week after earnings. So this was the entry point here, actually. So we got in here and we got out here on Friday. And that was up 0.07. Next trade was GM, General Motors. That was the best trade of the week. It was up 2%. And GM's trade looked like this. Based on prior weakness, this is the Monday entry. We bought here and we sold here Friday for a gain. Next one was Google, down 0.4%. There was weakness in the prior several days, so entered here, exited here. And the last trade was SPG, Simon Properties, down 0.09%. And that one, we got in here and got out here. It's a flat trade. And let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is what the equity curve looks like in my actual account since going live in April 2025. The account is up 40.9%. And let's also look at the long-term performance of the system. This is the back test for weekly reversion going from 1994 to present date. And over that time frame, the annualized return of the strategy is about 20%, whereas the annualized return for the S&P 500 is about 9%. And year to date, the strategy is up 19%, whereas the S&P is up approximately 12%. And that's what the equity curve of the weekly reversion looks like long term, going back to 1994 compared to the gray line, which is the S&P 500. If you'd like to learn more about weekly reversion, and you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the stock picks on a weekly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.